26. Okay, we've been given a regular heptagon, and we're told that this bit, the AGB bit, is 30 centimeters squared, and we need to find the length of GB, this length here. Okay, given this is a regular heptagon, all these sides are equal. Now to move on, we need to find this angle here. Well, that angle is the interior angle of a heptagon. And I always think the easiest way to do this is to find the exterior angle and take it away from 180 degrees. So I can say E must be equal to 360 divided by 7, which is equal to 51.4 degrees. Therefore, I, which is equal to 180 minus 51.4, and that turns out to be 128.6 degrees. So looking at this triangle, we know its area, and because it's not a right-angled triangle, we have to use the sine formula for the area of a triangle, which is a half AB sine C, where C is the angle between A and B. So this is effectively A, and this is effectively B, but they are one and the same. So let's call them X. So therefore we get a half X squared sine 128.6 must be equal to 30. Work that out on a calculator and you get X is equal to 8.76 centimeters. So there it is on the diagram, 8.76. We now know the sides. We know the angle here at the top. We know angle at GAB. Therefore, we can use the cosine rule to find effectively the side opposite angle A. So rather confusingly, I'm going to call that A. Let's lose A and B there. Okay, now we're clear again. So I can say that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. There's the cosine rule quoted. So putting in the values, we get this great long thing. Working out the right-hand side on a calculator by whatever means you like, A squared turns out to be 249.18, and therefore A is equal to 15.8, and that's quoting to 3 significant figures. And that is your answer.